Hello students, in the last class we have studied about the topic isomerism. In that we have studied about the structural isomerism. Structural isomerism, the compounds having same molecular formula but the structures of the compound will be different. They will be having same physical and chemical properties. In the structural isomerism we have studied about the linkage isomerism, ionization isomerism, coordinate isomerism, coordinate position isomerism and hydrate isomerism. In the today's class we are going to study about the stereoisomerism. What is stereoisomerism? Stereoisomerism, what are stereoisomers? The compounds having the same molecular formula but the spatial arrangement of the atoms is different. Okay, in the space if the arrangement of the atoms are different, then the isomers are called as stereoisomers and that phenomenon is called as stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism is exhibited by the complex having the same molecular formula and they have a same type of ligand and the same type of linkage, but they differ in the spatial arrangement of ligands in space. In the space, if the ligand arrangement around the central metal ion is different, then they are called as stereoisomers. Stereoisomerism means the compounds will be having same molecular formula and the ligands and the similar type of the linkage, but the spatial arrangement of the ligands around the central metal ion is different, then they are called as stereoisomers and the phenomenon is called as stereoisomerism. Okay, there are two types of stereoisomerism. First one is geometrical isomerism. In that we are going to study about the cis-trans isomerism, and the second one is optical isomerism. Okay, in the geometrical isomerism, ligand occupy different position around the central metal ion. Okay, in the geometry, in coordination compounds, particularly in the organic compound, geometrical isomerism is different. Here, geometrical isomerism possible when they have a double bond and triple bond in organic compounds, but in coordination compounds the geometrical isomers are possible when the ligands occupy different position around the central metal ion. If the two similar ligands occupy the adjacent position, then they are called as cis isomers. If the similar ligands or the same type of the ligands occupy the diagonal position, then they are called as trans isomer. Okay, if the similar ligands occupy adjacent position, then they are called as cis isomers. If they occupy diagonal position, then they are called as trans isomers. Geometrical isomerism is also known as cis-trans isomerism because here we are going to get two types of isomers. One is cis isomer and another one is trans isomer. Okay, in the coordination complex, these complexes have different coordination number. It starts from the 2. They have a 3 coordination number, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, what is coordination number? The number of ligands attached to the central metal ion is nothing but its coordination number. The complexes which are having coordination number 2, 3 and 4. In 4, the complexes which are having tetrahedral structure will not show geometrical isomerism. Okay, ಯಾವುದು geometrical isomerism ತೋರಿಸಲ್ಲ. The complexes which are having the coordination number 2, coordination number 3 and coordination number 4, in that the complexes which are having tetrahedral structure will not show geometrical isomerism because here ligands are equidistant from one another. Here ligands are attached to central metal ion which are in equidistance from each other, or all coordination position are adjacent to one another. Okay, their coordination positions are adjacent to one another. This is observed in the square planar complexes where the coordination number is 4 and the octahedral complexes where the coordination number is 6. Okay, first we are going to study about the geometrical isomerism in square planar complexes. Geometrical isomerism in square planar complexes where the coordination number is 4. Square planar complexes of the type MA4, MA3B, MA8 twice do not show geometrical isomerism. Okay, ಯಾವ type? So MA4, M is metal and A is a monodentate ligand. Okay, all the ligands are same here. Okay, their position will not show isomerism. MA3B, MAA2 do not show geometrical isomerism because all the spatial arrangements will be exactly equivalent. Their spatial arrangements will be exactly equivalent. Since the trans isomerism is common in the square planar complexes of the type MA2B2, MA2BC, okay, where it is possible, MA2B2, MA2BC, MABCD, MAB2, where M is a metal, A, B, C, D are a monodentate ligands, and AB is a unsymmetrical bidentate ligand. Okay, AB, if it is AA, then it is symmetrical bidentate ligand. AB means unsymmetrical bidentate ligand. First, we are going to see the examples for MA2B2 type. The complexes of this type can exist in two forms. One is cis form, another is trans form. Here A and B are monodentate ligand. A2 means there are two kinds of ligands, A2, B2. A is one kind of ligand, B is another kind of ligand. Okay, if the same kind of ligands are adjacent to each other, then it is cis form. If the same kind of ligands are diagonal to each other, then it is trans form. Okay, you can see here in the first one, A adjacent to each other and B adjacent to each other. In the next one, A diagonal to each other and B diagonal to each other. Therefore, there are two types of isomers possible in MA2B2 form, that is cis and trans. For example, palladium, which is having 2 chloride ion and 2 ammonia, exist in cis and trans form. In the cis form, chlorine adjacent to each other, NH3 is adjacent to each other. In the trans form, both ammonia molecules are diagonal to each other and chlorines are diagonal to each other. These are the examples for MA2B2 type. Okay, second type of example is MA2BC ligand. M means metal. There are two same kind of ligands, A2. B is another kind of ligand and C is another type of ligand. Okay, here there is three types of ligand. A, there are two ligands, B and C. It can exist in two forms, cis and trans, depending upon the position of A. Here differentiating ligand is A. Differentiating ligand means the structure of the molecule is depending on A. Therefore, it is called as differentiating ligand. If A ligand is adjacent to each other, then the complex will be in cis form. If the A ligands are diagonal to each other, then it is in a trans form. Okay. If A are adjacent to each other, it is cis form. A opposite to each other, then it is trans form. For example, PY. PY means pyridine. Okay, there are two pyridine ligands, one ammonia and one chloride. Pyridine adjacent to each other, therefore it is in a cis form. In the next one, pyridine molecules are opposite to each other or diagonal to each other, therefore it is example for trans form. Third one, MABCD type. MABCD, all the four ligands are different. Okay, since they have a four ligands, there are three isomers possible. We can't say here cis and trans. These are the isomers because their spatial arrangement around the central metal ion is different. Okay, we can't say here cis and trans. These are the isomers. Why these isomers are possible? Because the spatial arrangement of the ligands around the central metal ion is different. What we have to do here? We have to fix the position of one ligand. For example, we have to fix the position of A ligand. We have to change the position of the other ligands. The first one, A position is fixed. First we are written C, B, D. In the next one, A is fixed. What we have written D, C, B. And the next one, A is fixed. C, D, B. Possible arrangements. In the last one also A, B, D, C. This is identical to the third one. Therefore, there are three isomers are possible in the type MABCD, where all the four ligands are different. Here we have to fix the position of one ligand. We have to change the position of other ligands with respect to A. Okay, how many types of isomers are possible in MABCD? There are 3 types of isomers are possible in MABCD. For example, platinum metal and ligand is NO2, pyridine and ammonia. Ammonia NH2OH exist in 3 forms. Okay, here we have selected NH2OH hydroxylamine as a fixed ligand, and then we have to change the position of the other 3 ligand. Okay, here NH2OH position is fixed, and then we have to change the position of pyridine, ammonia and NO2. Here pyridine comes first, then ammonia and then NO2, and then in second isomer NH3 pyridine NO2, in the last isomer pyridine NO2 NH3. If you write another isomer, this is identical to the third one. Therefore, in total there are 3 isomers possible in the type of MABCD complex. The next example is MAB2 type. AB is bidentate ligand which is unsymmetrical. If we write AA, then it is a symmetrical ligand. AB is a unsymmetrical ligand. Okay, coordination number is 4 because it is a bidentate ligand. Each ligand donates 2 pair of electron, or it has a 2 donor atoms. Therefore, in total 2 ligands donate 4 pair of electrons. Therefore, its coordination number is 4. In this type of isomer, identical donor atoms. Donor atom means the atom which donates a pair of electron to the central metal line is donor atom. If the identical donor atoms are on same side, then it is cis isomer. If the identical donor atoms are in opposite side, then it is transform. Here AB is a unsymmetrical bidentate ligand. For example, platinum GLY means glyoxinate ion. Its formula is NH2CH2CO-. Here donor atom 2. Here nitrogen can donate 1 pair of electron and oxygen can also donate 1 pair of electron. Therefore, it is an example for bidentate ligand. Okay, this is also a chelating ligand because it forms a ring-like structure in the complex. It is an example for chelating ligand. Okay, here we can write a 2 form. One is cis form, another is trans form. Okay, identical donor atom means nitrogen. If nitrogen is on same side, then it is cis form, and nitrogen and oxygen opposite to each other, then it is trans form. As you can see in the example, here nitrogen NH2 on one side and oxygen on another side. In the second example, oxygen opposite to each other, nitrogen is opposite to each other. This type of example is called as transform, and the first one is cis form. If the identical donor atoms occupy same position or the same side of the plane, then it is cis form. If they are opposite to each other, then it is transform. Okay, this is about the examples for the geometrical isomers of the complexes having coordination number 4. There are 4 types of isomers are possible: MAB2 type, and MABCD type, MA2BC type, and MA2B2 type. Okay, next is geometrical isomers in octahedral complexes. Octahedral complexes means they have a coordination number 6. They are having coordination number 6. Okay, here metal is surrounded by 6 ligands, therefore its coordination number is 6. The octahedral complexes of the type MA6, MA5B, MAA3 do not show geometrical isomerism. MA6 means A is monodentate ligand, all the ligands are same, therefore there will be no change in the isomers. MA5B, MAA3 all will not show geometrical isomerism because their structures are equivalent to each other. Therefore, these type of complexes will not show geometrical isomerism. And the complexes of the type MA4B2, A is a one type of monodentate ligand, B is another type of monodentate ligand. M A3B3, M A2B2C2, A one type of ligand, B is one type of ligand, and C is another type of ligand. And then MABCDEF, MAA2. AA is, here AA is nothing but symmetrical bidentate ligand. MAA2, small a is a monodentate ligand, capital A is a bidentate symmetrical ligand. MAA2BC, MAA2B2, MAB3. These type of complexes show two or more type of geometrical isomers. Okay, in the next we are going to study one by one with examples. First one is MA4B2 type. First one is MA4B2 type. A is one type of monodentate ligand, B is another type of monodentate ligand. Okay, what we have to see here, if the complex is in a cis isomer, then the monodentate B ligand, monodentate, okay, here differentiating ligand is B, because A 4 ligands, they will occupy the one plane, and B is another kind of monodentate ligand which is a differentiating ligand, because the structure of the molecule or the isomers are possible depending on the ligand B. In cis isomer, the two monodentate B ligands occupy adjacent position of the octahedron. Okay, what happens here? Here B ligand occupy adjacent position of the octahedron in cis form, and in trans form these ligands occupy opposite position of the octahedron. Okay, there are two types of isomers are possible, cis and trans. In the cis form, they occupy the adjacent position. In the trans form, they occupy the opposite position. Okay, here we have to remember which is adjacent position and which is the opposite or diagonal position. Okay, adjacent, in the first example, chromium NH34Cl2. Okay, B ligand is Cl here. Okay, we have to see the position of the Cl here. In the first structure, chlorine atoms occupy the adjacent position of the octahedron. If we draw the octahedron structure, it will be like this. Okay, this is one plane, this is another plane. Okay, it will be having 6 plane. If the two ligands occupy the same position, adjacent position, okay, here the chloride ions are occupying the adjacent position, therefore this is cis isomer. The next one, chloride ions occupy the opposite position, okay, or they are opposite to each other, therefore this is a trans form. This is cis and this is trans. Another example, other examples, cobalt NH34NO2. Okay, here in this we have to see the position of the NO2. Next example, chromium PY means pyridine 4 chloride. Here also we have to see the position of chloride. If the chloride ions are adjacent to each other, cis form. If the chloride ions are opposite to each other, then it is trans form. Next one, MA3B3 type. A is one kind of ligand, B is another kind of ligand. Okay, here also we get cis and trans form, and the special kind of isomerism called as a facial isomerism and meridional isomerism. Okay, I'll explain in the next slide. Okay, what is cis form and what is trans form? If the identical ligands occupy the corners of the triangular face, if the ligands or identical ligands occupy the corners of the triangular face of the octahedron, then it is called as cis form, or it is also known as facial isomer. Okay, what it is called? It is called as cis form, or it is also known as facial isomers. They occupy 1, 2, 3 position. Okay, the ligands occupy 1, 2, 3 position. It is called a cis form or facial isomer. In the trans form, the ligands will occupy 136 position. Therefore, it is called as 136 isomer or a meridonial isomer. Okay, cis form nalli enagutte, they occupy 1, 2, 3 position. They are adjacent to each other. It is called a cis form or a facial isomer. In the trans form, they occupy 136 isomer or 136 position. It is called as 136 isomer or meridonial isomer. Okay, you can see here they occupy triangular face of the octahedron and they are adjacent to each other. It is called a cis form or it is also known as facial isomer. In the transform they occupy 136 position. Therefore, it is called as transform or 136 isomer or generally called as meridonial isomer. Okay, this is possible in MA3B3 type of complexes. Cis form is called as facial isomer. Transform is called as meridonial isomer. In the cis form, they occupy the one side of the triangular face of the octahedron. In the meridonial isomer, they occupy the 136 position of the octahedron. Other examples: platinum NH3 thrice Br3. Next, iridium H2O thrice Cl3, etc. Next type of isomers are Ma2B2C2 type. Ma2B2C2 type. Okay, it will be having 3 different kinds of ligand, 2 ligands. In total, there are 6 ligands. Therefore, the coordination number is 6. Okay, when the central midline is surrounded by 3 different kind of ligands, theoretically there are 5 isomers are possible. Theoretically, we can write 5 isomers. Out of these 5, only 3 have been prepared. Okay, 5 ನಾವು ಬರಿಬಹುದು, but out of 5, they have prepared only 3 types of isomers. Okay, we can see here one by one. In the first 2, chloride ion position or C ligand position is fixed. Then we have to change the position of A and B ligand. In the first one, chloride are diagonally opposite or they are opposite to each other. Ammonia opposite to each other. Pyridine opposite to each other. Okay, chloride opposite to each other. Pyridine opposite to each other. Ammonia opposite to each other. In the next one, chloride ions opposite to each other. Pyridine adjacent. Ammonia adjacent. In the next one, ammonia ligands are opposite to each other. Okay, then we have to change the position of pyridine and chloride. Here pyridine adjacent to each other. Chloride adjacent to each other. This is one type of isomer. In the next complex, pyridine position is fixed. Therefore, pyridine are opposite to each other. We have to change the position of chloride and ammonia. Chloride are adjacent to each other. Ammonia adjacent to each other. In the last one, platinum is a central metal ion. Pyridine ammonia, one pyridine and another one ammonia opposite to each other. Chloride are adjacent to each other and another pyridine and NH3 are adjacent to. The position of all the ligands have been changed. Okay, there are total 5 isomers are possible. Out of these 5, 3 have been prepared. This is Ma2B2C2 type of isomers. Next one, MABCDEF type. Here all 6 ligands are different. When we change the spatial arrangement of these 6 ligands, in total there are 15 geometrical isomers are possible. Theoretically, there are 15 geometrical isomers are possible by changing the position of MABCDEF ligands. Okay, only one complex have been prepared of this type, that is platinum, which is having pyridine NH3. Okay, all the 6 ligands are different. Pyridine, NH3, NO2, Cl, Br. Only one complex under this type is prepared, which gives a total 15 isomers. Next one, MAA2, capital AA2, small a2 type. AA means symmetrical bidentate ligand. Symmetrical bidentate means the ligand having two donor atoms. If the two donor atoms are identical, then it is called as symmetrical bidentate ligand. And here small letter A indicates monodentate ligand. Here two monodentate ligand and two bidentate ligands are there. In total, there are 4 donor atoms are attached to the central metal ion. Therefore, its coordination number is 6. Okay, it has cis and trans isomers. In cis form, two identical monodentate ligands. In cis form, two identical monodentate ligand occupy adjacent position. In cis form, two identical monodentate. Here we have to see the position of monodentate ligand. If the monodentate ligand occupy adjacent position, it is cis form. If the monodentate ligands occupy opposite position, then it is in trans form. Okay, we can see the example here. Cobalt, En means ethylene diamine. It is a bidentate ligand. Structure is NH2CH2CH2NH2. It is having two donor atoms, two nitrogen atoms, and the monodentate ligand is chloride. Okay, here we can see chloride monodentate ligand, two chloride ions are adjacent to each other. Therefore, it is cis form. Here they are in opposite to each other. Therefore, it is trans form. Okay. Here we can write the formula of the ethylene diamine as NH2CH2CH2NH2, or in short we can write it as En. Okay, En is nothing but ethylene diamine. We can represent ethylene diamine as an abbreviation En. Okay, En anna bardu ee tara mark madidre it is nothing but ethylene diamine. Or we can also write the structure NH2CH2CH2 NH2. One NH2 is attached to one side and another NH2 is attached to another side of the central metal ion. In the cis form, the chloride ions are adjacent to each other. In the trans form, chloride ions are opposite to each other. This is an example for MAA2 small a2 type. Next one is MAA2AB. A is a symmetrical bidentate ligand and A is one kind of monodentate ligand and B is another kind of monodentate ligand. Here also we have to see the position of monodentate ligand, that is A and B. If A and B are adjacent to each other, then it is in cis form. If A and B are opposite to each other, then it is in trans form. Okay, see the first example. Cobalt. Okay, this is a bidentate ligand. NN means the nitrogen atom of the ethylene diamine. Okay, chloride and NH3 are adjacent to each other. Chloride and ammonia are adjacent to each other. Therefore, it is cis form. Here, chloride and NH3 are opposite to each other. Therefore, it is in trans form. Okay, this is an example for MAA2AB type of complexes. Next one, MAA2B2 type. Okay, AA means it is having only one bidentate symmetrical ligand and A is one kind of monodentate ligand, B is another kind of monodentate ligand. In cis isomer, both monodentate A and B ligands occupy cis position. In trans form, they occupy trans position. Okay, both A and B ligands, if they occupy cis position or they are adjacent position, in trans form, A and B occupy opposite position or in a trans position. Okay, here we can see the cis form. In the cis form, this NN, EN is nothing but bidentate ligand. Okay, it will not determine the arrangement of the or isomers. It will not differentiate the isomers. Here we have to see the position of the A ligand and B ligand. Here ammonia are adjacent to each other. Chloride ions are adjacent to each other. Therefore, this is cis form. In the next one, NH3 one ligand, NH3 is opposite to each other. Okay, therefore this is an example for trans form, or this is the structure of trans isomer. The cis isomer, A and B ligand occupies cis position. In the trans isomer, A and B are in opposite position or trans position. Next one, MAB3 type. Okay, AB is unsymmetrical bidentate ligand. Okay, here also facial and meridonial isomers are possible. Facial is nothing but cis isomer, meridonial is nothing but trans isomer. Okay, example, cobalt, GLY means glyoximate ion. Okay, it is a bidentate ligand. There are three bidentate ligand in total. It's having coordination number 6. Okay, total 6 donor atoms are attached to the cobalt. In the facial isomer, nitrogen atoms occupy the corner of a trigonal face, or identical N and N donor atoms are nothing but identical donor atoms occupy corners of a trigonal face, and another 3 kind of donor atoms occupy another trigonal face of the octahedron. Or we can say in facial isomer, nitrogen cobalt nitrogen bond angle are 90 degree. Meridonial isomer, 2 nitrogen cobalt nitrogen bond angle 90 and 1 bond angle is 180 degrees. When we check the exact position or exact angle between the ligands and the ligands, we can say that in facial isomer, nitrogen cobalt nitrogen bond angle are 90 degree, and meridonial isomer, 2 bond angles are same, that is 90 degree, and 1 is 180 degree. Facial means cis, meridonial means trans. Okay, here we can see the structure. Okay, in the cis form, oxygen occupy one trigonal face. Nitrogen occupy another trigonal face of the octahedron. This is a facial isomer, or it is also called as cis isomer. In the trans, okay, nitrogen occupy the meridian of the octahedron. Oxygen, 3 oxygen occupy the another meridian of the octahedron. Therefore, it is an example for trans isomer. Okay, in the cis isomer, they occupy the trigonal face of the octahedron. In the trans isomer, they occupy the meridian position of the octahedron. Okay, this is about MAB3 type of isomers. Okay, then what is facial and meridonial isomer? Here we are writing facial nothing but cis, meridonial nothing but trans. Okay, in facial isomer, 3 identical donor atoms lie on the corners of the triangular face. Okay, octahedron tagondaga on the trigonal corner or trigonal face ige 3 donor atoms attach ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟ್ರೈಗೋನಲ್ ಫೇಸಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನು 3 ligands ಅಥವಾ donor atoms attach ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ it is called as facial isomer, or in short it is written as face isomer. In the meridonial isomer, 3 identical donor atoms lie on the corner of the plane which bisects the complex. Okay, meridonial ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ 3 donor ಅಥವಾ 3 identical donor atom lie on the corners which bisects the, okay, here we can see, which bisects the plane of the complex, plane bisecting the complex. Okay, ಈ ಥರ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗುಲರ್ ಶೇಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇನು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲೇನರ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗುಲರ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಟ್ರೈಗೋನಲ್ ಶೇಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಐಸೋಮರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಶೇಪ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 3 ಆಟಮ್ ಆಕ್ಯುಪೈ ದಿಸ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಥರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಬಂತಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ ಐಸೋಮರ್ ಆರ್ ಫೇಶಿಯಲ್ ಐಸೋಮರ್. ಓಕೆ, if they occupy the corners of the plane bisecting the complex, ಯಾವುದು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೋನರ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಮೆರಿಡೋನಿಯಲ್ ಐಸೋಮರ್. Okay, this facial and meridional isomers are possible in MA3B3, MAB3, MAAA, NO3 thrice. AAA is symmetrical tridentate ligand. For example, diethylene, triethylene, etramine. Okay, polydentate ligands form this type of complexes. MAA3, NO3 thrice, MAA2 twice. It is a tridentate ligand with the coordination number 3 and another monodentate ligand, that is NO3. These form facial isomers and meridional isomers. This is about the stereoisomerism. Okay, what do you mean by stereoisomerism? The complexes will be having same molecular formula, but the spatial arrangement of atoms in a space is different. They are called as stereoisomerism. In the stereoisomerism, there are two types: geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. In this class, we have studied about the geometrical isomerism. The geometrical isomerism possible in the coordination number 4 and 6. In the coordination number 4, the complexes having tetrahedral shape will not show geometrical isomerism. The complex which are having square planar structure shows geometrical isomerism. Okay, in that there are 4 types. The next one, the geometrical isomers in the complexes having coordination number 6 or octahedral complexes show different kind of isomers. Okay, in the next class we are going to study about the optical isomers. Optical isomer is the last topic of the coordination chemistry. Okay, next class we'll study about optical isomerism and what are the types of the optical isomerism. Thank you.